Welcome to episode 10.
Of bird catchers. Me, and we're about to go fuck up this bird.
If you want to know, we're about last episode, we missed a bird in the forest. But I have my new weapon, the Bird Catcher 9000.
And this is the Sucky Chick 9000.
We hunt birds till night, till dawn. We are the bird catchers. We will chase them down. They can't hide because we are the bird catchers. You can't imagine this pain. Till night, till dawn. You can't imagine this pain. Hunting them down until dawn. We are the bird catchers.
Very dangerous weapon. We got a whole pack.
We'll end their life quickly. You ready?
No, just wait. Closer.
It's about birds. These take a really good hearing.
Whoa! Go! Move. Go over the fence. Please don't. Stay right there. It's right there. Go down. It's right there. It's gone. Let's head back to camp.
Head back to the camp.
Alright guys, that was another failure.
Goodbye, my bird catcher. Bye-bye. This is the end of the line. Come back later in the day. Just a reminder, be safe in the day.